Good morning, everyone. This is Sean with My Trading Journal, and I'm going to go over how to create a strategy. When you first open My Trading Journal, you'll land on the home page, and up in the top right corner, there is a strategies button. What you see here is currently all my strategies that I am practicing and trying, and you can see there's sort of be a long, short, and is OTC and is not OTC. So for example, here are some long strategies I have that are OTC, some long strategies that I have that are not OTC, buying the dip on a crash, buying the first dip after a breakout. I have tried it 13 times, 85% win rate, your average loss gain, and your net profit. This gives you a way to start analyzing each trade and figuring out what strategy works and what strategy doesn't. So for example, let's take a quick look at how about shorting a bounce into resistance. Here's a strategy that I created, and this is my description, my entry, my exit target, and my exit risk. And now the description is a general view of the strategy, like something to remind you how to play the strategy, what the strategy looks like. The entry is where you're going to want to enter. Your exit target is if the stock is going in your favor, when do you want to exit? And your exit risk is if the stock starts going against you, when you're going to cut your losses, when you're going to exit. It's always a good idea to have both your goal and your exit before you enter the trade. Down below, you're going to see the winning percentage and your average percent gain, dollar gain, and net profit, some statistics with a little helpful question mark here. It tells you a little bit about what each color means. And then you have a image that you can draw. Now with a strategy, you can view all the trades that you've done within this strategy. You can click on them and actually go see those trades directly. You can even export all these strategies to Excel. And that, I'll go ahead and do that. Say export this thing here, save, okay. And then you can go open that file. Give me a moment to go find that file. Here you go. You can open that file and you can see everything. Let me go ahead and expand all these columns here. And it lists your entry date, exit date, the type, all the details you need for your entry comment and your exit comment for doing any kind of further analysis that you want to do in Excel. Don't save. Now, how do you create a strategy? In order to create a strategy, you go to the strategy homepage, and all you do is you click Create Strategy. You type in the name of the strategy, you type in the description, and entry, exit, and exit risk. You say whether it's an OTC strategy, is it a long or short, low risk, medium, high, whatever you think it is, and what time of day you employ this strategy. And then this thing here is for taking a screenshot. So if you happen to be trading a chart and you're like, this strategy really looks like a good panic dip buy, you can take a nice screenshot and you can just paste it inside there. And then now you hit click save and you have a new strategy with all the information that you have. Cancel. And that's it. Next thing you want to do is link the strategy that you just created to a trade. And in order to do that, you simply just click on any trade that you created, click on one of these things here, and then right now I have this set as no pattern, but this has all the different strategies you have. If you take off OTC, you come in here and it has all my other strategies, shorting strategies are there as well. And simply you just click on that, you click save, and that is how you link the strategy to your trade.